Hi, Jessie. Hello, hello, hello. Good evening. Good evening, good evening. Hello.
Hello, teacher. Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, Jessie, and welcome again to our class for
Today I
today.
have one toy.
Wow,
Ding,
what toy?
ding,
Can I
ding,
see?
ding.
Oh, wow. Is that your
Baby
new
tree.
toy? Oh, baby tree. Really? It's baby tree. Wow. It's so cute. What animal is that?
I
What?
don't know.
Oh, you don't know? It has a long ears. It has a long ears.
I
What
think I think it's a rabbit thing.
Yes, very good. So, baby tree is a rabbit. It's so cute. Wow, it's a white baby tree.
No, it's rainbow. Look.
Ah, it's rainbow. Oh yeah, I can see it's rainbow. Good. It's so cute. I also
It's
have
very small, Mama. It's
yeah,
small.
it's small. I also
Yes.
have one student. She have baby tree or baby free,
Baby
baby tree.
tree.
Yeah, she have baby tree, but it's color black.
What?
Yeah,
I
it's
know. I know.
what
It's a
does it look
rabbit
like?
baby tree, but it's black, right?
Yeah, it's black.
I know.
Hers is black. The color of her rabbit is I mean the baby tree. The color for of her baby tree is black.
I know. My friend have.
Oh,
I
your
know.
friend have the color black? Really?
Hmm?
Oh,
Really?
that's so cute. Wow. So thank you so much for sharing about your toy. So it's very cute. Is it a new
Today, what
toy?
are you eat? What are you eating?
Wha-
It's my
Uh,
toy, but what are you eat?
what did I eat today? I eat
Hmm.
chicken.
Why
Chicken
you
wings.
why you
Chicken wings.
eat why you eat chicken so much?
Because I like chicken. My favorite food is
Hmm.
chicken. But it's fried chicken. But don't
No,
cut.
my baby she say today I eat rice and fish
Oh,
and
really?
egg. Na 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 na. A baby she said. A baby she said.
Oh, baby tree said. How about you? What did you eat? Did you also eat rice and fish for today?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, that's very
But baby
delicious.
tree have what have it egg too.
Baby tree eat rice and fish too.
An egg. An egg.
Wow, an egg. Wow, that's so delicious. And how are you today? Are you
I'm
happy?
good. I'm
Good.
happy.
Happy. Wow. That's good to know. So, are you ready to continue our lesson for today?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's continue our lesson. So we have our lesson 4, which is about toys. So let's see if you still remember the toys that we learned last time. Okay, so let me just open. Okay, so let's take a look at this toy. What toy is this? What do we call this toy?
It's game.
Okay, very good. What if we
Games.
have two? Okay, so
Game and
very fun.
games.
Okay, next.
Marble and marbles.
Okay, again, let's say marble, not marble.
Marble.
Yes,
Marble.
very,
Marbles.
okay,
And marbles.
very good. So if we have two or more, so we will add S. So marbles. How many marbles?
Marbles.
Yeah, how many? How many marbles?
Four. Four.
Four marbles. Okay, very good. How about this one? What's this?
Puzzles. And
Puzzle.
puzzles.
Okay, how many puzzles?
Three. Three.
Three puzzles. Okay, very
Over the
good.
hill and
And for
far
the
away.
last,
And the duck said quack, 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 quack. But only four little duck came back.
okay, next, what is this toy?
Oh, oh. car and
Car.
car and cars.
Okay, very good. How many
4
cards?
cars.
Okay, good job. Okay. So since I can see that you remember all of the toys that we've learned last time, so we will
Yes, sir.
have our new sentence structure. So
I have 1 game. I have 0 game.
okay, so before we discuss the sentence structure, so let's first listen to what we have here. Let me just pull up the sound.
Listen and
30.
say.
C. Listen
Listen
and say. Then practice.
I have 1 game. I have 2 games.
Okay, easy.
I have
Okay.
1 game. I have 1 game. I have 2 games.
Okay.
Easy. Lemon
Since
easy.
easy lemon squeezy. Since this is AC for you, Jessie, what do we mean by I have? What do we mean by I have? When do we say I have? I have a toy. I have 1 toy. I have 2 toys. When when do we say it? Okay. So we use this word I have. So we use this to say what we own. For example, I have 1 flower. Okay.
Wow.
Okay. I have 2 toys.
I have 1 blouse.
Yes, very good. I have 1 pen.
I have 1 baby tree.
One
Oh,
baby
no.
tree.
I have 2.
2? Where is the other one?
It's outside.
It's outside. Okay. I have. mm, What do I have? Wait. I have 2 wallets. Huh? You can see it. 2 wallets. How
I
about
have
you?
1 basket.
1 basket. Very good. Oh, very good. Okay. So that is how we use. So we use it to say what we own, what we have. Okay. So we use 1 if we are just saying, if we have just 1. We use 2 if we have 2 or more. Okay. So I have 3, I have 4. So we can say any numbers.
Are you have a cat?
Cat,
Do you have a
yes.
cat?
Yes, but they are outside. Yeah, I cannot get them. They are outside. Next time, if my cat is here, I will show you. She is a
What
black
is color?
black.
Black.
Yeah. But it's a girl.
A
Yeah.
girl?
But we have a lots of cats. We have like 10 cats. Yeah. It's my mom's cats. It's my mother. My mother loves cats. That's why we have
You
a
are
lot.
the mommy.
No, I'm not. I'm still living with my mother. I'm still not a mom.
You are the mom.
No, I'm just 23 years old. I'm still young.
Look my
Yeah.
dad's girl. Look like my dad's girl.
Okay. Okay. So for this one, so we use this I have so to describe the things that we have. Okay. So let's try this sentence structure for this
2
one.
games.
Oh, what shall we use? What shall we say? I have
Marble.
huh?
Three piece puzzle. 6 card.
Okay.
Finish.
Finish? You forgot something because we are talking about the sentence structure. You forgot the I have. So we will use the sentence structure. Like for example, in this one, I have 2 games.
Games.
Okay.
I have 8 marbles.
Okay, very good.
I have 3 puzzles.
Mhm.
I have six cards.
Okay, card or cards? Okay, very good. Don't forget to say the S sound at the end. So I have 6 cards. Very good. So that is how we use to describe things that we can see or that we have or we own. Okay, so let's check if your answers are all correct.
Correct.
Correct. Very good. So let's read again. I have.
I have 2 games. I have 8 marbles. I have 3 puzzles. I have 6 cards.
Okay, very good. So again, let's see. 6.
6.
6.
6.
Add letter S. Can you can you try to add letter S at the end?
6.
Yes.
6.
Very good. Yes, that's all right. Again. 6.
6.
Very good. Very good. You can do it. So you don't say it as sick. You say it as 6 with S. Very good. You can do it. Okay, again. Let's read this one. I have this last one. I have 6.
6.
Okay, let's read the last sentence. I have
6.
6 what?
Car.
Okay, very good. Good job. I can see that you can do it. You can say 6 correctly. Good job. That's an improvement. Very good. Okay, so all of your answers are correct. But now, you don't want to play game. Okay, so let's count. Let's count some things here that we have. So what toy is this?
It's a marble.
Marble. Okay. So how many marbles do I have? Or how many marbles do you have?
9.
Okay, what shall we use? What shall we use? I have.
9 marbles.
Okay, very good. So where is number 9 here? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Where?
Yeah.
This one. Okay, very good. So this one is where we put marbles. Very good. So I have 9 marbles. Okay. Next, let's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
next. What toy is this? Or what
It's
toys
a
are these?
doll.
Dolls. Okay, how many dolls do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dolls.
Okay, how do
I
we
have
use?
6 dolls.
Okay, very good. Where is the 6? Can you circle or no? You can still circle. No. Okay, let's just count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
okay, very good. So I have 6 dolls. Okay, next. Okay, what toys are these?
These are cards.
Okay, how many cards do you have?
I think.
I know the answer. How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many? How many cards do you have?
12.
Okay, let's say I have.
12 cards.
Okay, very good. So let's count 12 here. 1,
2,
3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, very good. So I have 12 cards. Very good. Okay, next toy. What toys are these? What happened? What toys are these?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 cards.
Okay, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Huh, 7? How many? It's 5. Okay, very good. 1, 2, 3,
3, 4,
5. Very good. I have. Huh?
fair.
What's fair? 5, not fair. Okay, next. Next. What are these? What are these?
Games. 1,
Games.
2, 3, 4. 4. I have 4 games.
Okay, so let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 4.
Okay, very good. So I have 4 games. Next. Okay, what is this?
1, 2, 3. Huh? 1,
Huh?
2, 2 puzzles. I have 2 puzzles.
Okay, let's count. 1,
1, 2.
2, 2. Okay, next.
Why
Oh,
so many?
so many. Oh, so we have another
Many.
so we have another sentence structures. What about you, Jessie? How many?
It's a one.
It's 12.
Oh,
Very
I have 6
6.
cars.
I
12 marbles.
okay, very good. How about you? Do you have marbles?
No.
No, you don't have? Really?
Yeah, no.
Oh,
Yes.
how about do you have dolls?
Yes, I do. Yes.
Yes, I do. How many? How many dolls do you have?
1,
How many?
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
How many?
1, 2, 3. 3, 3, 3. 1,
3
2, 3.
dolls?
1,
Okay.
2, 3.
How
3,
do we
3, 3.
how do we say it in a sentence?
I have 3 dolls. I have 3 dolls. I have 3 dolls. I have 3 dolls.
Very good. So that is how we say. How about cards?
Let's learn a caution today.
Huh? So many questions. How about cards? Do you have cards? Do you have cards? No.
I don't know.
No. You don't know. We can say no. I don't.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I have.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Oh, how many cards do you have? How many cards do you have? I
100.
I have. We
I
can say
have
it.
100. I have 100
100
cards.
cards. Very good. How about kites? Do you have kites? No.
No.
I know. We can say no, I don't. No? No?
Yes, no.
You don't know? Okay.
Yes.
How about
You look my hair here. Ding 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 ding.
I
ding,
look
ding,
like
ding,
your
ding.
hair? Why?
But I
What
can't.
happened to your hair? What happened? Your your headband is so cute. I also have a
I
headband.
like this.
You
I
don't
like
like?
to cut, 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 cut.
No, you will cut your hair?
Yes, yes, yes.
Why?
Cut, 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 cut. Yes, yes, yes. Cut, 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 cut.
Why why do you want to cut your hair? It's a
Because it's heat. Yeah,
you want
yeah.
short hair like this. Short hair. Really? Why? Because it's hot. It's very hot.
Yes.
It's not raining in Vietnam.
Have.
You have it's raining in Vietnam. You have rain in Vietnam last time because last time it's raining hard here in my place. It's raining very hard. How about there? That's why last time or last or yesterday, I think it's yesterday. So it rained very hard and it's very cold. But now it's hot again. Yeah. How about there? Does it
Huh?
tip tip?
Huh?
Your teeth is so cute. You have a big teeth. It's a bunny teeth. So cute. Okay. So next,
In
do you?
Vietnam, I think I don't know.
It doesn't rain in Vietnam. Really?
It's hot, but it's not hot.
It's not hard. So it's still hot
No, it's
or it's cold. It's hot, cold.
It's cool. It's
It's
cool.
cold. Cold.
It's cool.
Cool. Cold. It's very cold now.
No, it
Oh.
doesn't hot.
It's not cold.
Hot. It's
Hot. It's still hot,
Hot.
right?
hot.
Yeah, it's very,
Hot.
very hot.
Hot. No. Cold.
No, no, no.
Cold.
Yeah, it's very hot. Very, very, very hot right now. Okay.
Cold.
It's cold right now there in Vietnam. Here it's very hot. I'm sweating right now.
No, cool. Cool.
What's cool?
Yeah.
Cool or cold? COLD?
COLL.
It's cool. COOL. Is that correct?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, it's not cold, but it's cool. Wow, that's so good. It's not hot, but it's cool.
It's not hot. It's not hot. It's not cold, but it's cool.
Yeah, it's cool. Oh, that's so nice.
Hot
in the
and cold. Make. It's
Cool.
cool.
Cool. Oh, I see.
Make.
I see. I see. I see. So thank you so much for sharing. How about puzzles? Jessie, do you have puzzles? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes. I tell you
Yes.
already.
Oh, how many? How many?
I tell you already. So it's so big.
Only one big puzzle?
No.
Oh, how many? I have
I have 10
10?
puzzles.
10
Yes.
puzzles. Wow, that's so many. Okay, very good. So that is okay, so that is how we use our sentence structure. I have. Okay. Okay.
I have flying. I have swimming.
Oh, you're sad.
Fighting.
Smiling.
I have fighting. I have fighting. Smile.
Okay.
Let's smile together.
Let's smile together. Okay, so now let's have another activity, Jessie. So look at the poster. So let's talk about it. So let's go first with number 3.
Look at tree. How many marbles?
Marbles. Okay, let's say marbles.
Marbles.
How many?
Three.
How many?
Oh,
How many?
four.
Oh, is it
Four,
4?
three.
Are you
Four,
sure?
three.
Okay, let's count.
And
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
okay, how many? How many marbles? Okay, let's see.
Seven.
Okay, how do we use it in a sentence? I have.
I 7 marbles.
Very good. I have 7 marbles. Okay, so next, let's look at number 1. What is that? I'm happy. Look at number 1. What is that toy?
It's a car.
It's cards. Okay, how many? How
Okay,
many cards?
I can see this one. Look at tree. How many marbles? 7 marbles. I have 4 marbles. I have 6 marbles.
Wow, very good. Now let's look at number 1. How many marbles?
No
How many
marbles.
marbles? How many cards? How many
I don't know.
cards? Oh, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? How many cards? I have
I
12.
have 12 cards.
Okay, very good. I have 12 cards. Let's look at number 4. Okay, let's see. How
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I have 5 puzzles.
Okay, very good. I have 5 puzzles. How about number 2? What is that?
It's a game.
It's
I
game.
have 1 game.
Okay, very good. I have 1 game. Do you know what game is this? Do you know what
No, I
game?
don't know.
Oh,
I
really?
don't know.
So we call this one as a dice game. Dice game. Yes. So you will.
Play already with my dad, right?
Oh, you played with your dice before?
With my dad.
Oh, you played this game with your dad? Wow.
Yes.
Oh, really? Is it
Really
fun? Is it fun to play?
fun.
Or is it's fun? Very good. That's so nice. So this is a dice game. So you roll the dice and you will move the pieces or chess pieces.
Yes.
Yes.
You know my dad.
Mm? Okay. So that's so good. So I think we already finished our lesson number 4.
Look, teacher. Look at you, AJ. So maybe.
Look at Peppa Pig. Who is this? You know who? It's Peppa Pig. You know Peppa Pig? No? Peppa Pig.
Sorry, but it's very Vietnamese. Sorry, a pepper. Look, I can.
Oh, wow. A storybook? It's a storybook about Peppa Pig?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Do you like Peppa Pig? Do you
No,
like? I know. Why?
don't like. It's just
Oh,
it's like the animals. I don't like this one.
you don't
Yep.
like that one. Okay. So, so for this one,
I'll see
Jessie,
you
goodbye.
later.
See you later. This one, Jessie, we finish our lesson 4. So, see you again next Monday. Next Monday. Yeah, Monday. See you on Monday.
Goodbye, teacher. Again, goodbye, teachers. Thank
Good.
you for today.
Thank you for today also. Bye bye. Let me.
Good night, teacher.
Good night. Good night. Look, look.
Why
I
you
have.
have a heart? Why you have
Look.
a heart?
I have rainbow.
Why you have? You
Bye
have
bye.
a diamond?
Diamond. You want. You want. Ten.
What you have?
Goodbye.
Good night, teacher.